We get this question a lot mula sa food truck owners namin. Unique ang food trucks kasi hindi lang to place of business kung saan kailangan mo ng property and liability insurance. Kailangan mo din dito ng commercial auto coverage. So habang stationary ka, yung property and liability ay cover ka habang andun ka. Pero pag on the road ka na, you wanna make sure na meron kang comprehensive and collision coverage para sa food truck mo. Tatlong important coverages na dapat mo i-consider ay equipment breakdown, food spoilage, and business interruption coverage. Most likely, meron kang grills, freezers, refrigerators, things like that. If for some reason biglang ayaw mag-work ng ref mo or mga freezers mo, masisira yung food mo. Yung property insurance mo ay hindi ko cover yun. Lastly, ang business interruption coverage ang tutulong na mag-recover ng lost income mo and magko-cover ng expenses pag kailangan mag-shutdown ng business mo dahil sa kahit anong covered losses. Kung kailangan mo ng quote for your food truck, click the link below and answer a few simple questions to get connected to one of our Tagalog speaking agents.